after the firstly, I worked in a public library with children. Can you imagine that? But my first job in the Benet was to work on old printed material, but with colleagues in a public library. And the second job is to help researchers working on web archives. Yes, it consists of harvesting the web with different duration. It depends on the context. For example, news could be crawled every day. YouTube channels once a year. So we have to think about the settings. Okay, that's part of the job. And for the selection, we work with a network of correspondents from the thematic department of the French National Library, and also local correspondents. I think that firstly, we could think that we were ready to react quickly. That was an important point. Secondly, we try new tools with researchers. We try to better understand the need of the researchers, and that's why we were happy to test a new tool, Solar Webback, with a search by image with a team of Christian. Yeah, we published a guided tour of the COVID-19 archive, and especially the first lockdown. But I hope that in a few years we could be able to publish with researchers a new guided tour on the second period of the COVID crisis. I mean, the curfew, the vaccination campaign, and maybe with a long-duration perspective.